welcome back to my channel. Budgeting, planning and budgeting life. I always forget my channel name. I don't know why. Or maybe it's just when I'm teaching. So this is my lunch break. So I'm going to do a quick video on my budgeting. And I never ever decorate my planner with stickers because it's just, or my budgeting paycheck workbook, because it's just not something I do. However, because I am working with Pear Mint Paper, I will be using hers to decorate. This is my first time decorating the planner for the month of, what month is it? March. So I'm going to finish up my February budget, and then I'm going to head into the sticker portion. All right, so first and foremost, I can't wait. I love the stickers. I love the way the March looks. These are, the washi, the decorative stuff. So I'm very excited about using it. I can't wait to show you how it looks. But first, let's get into planning. Let's see, I am in, yes, February 25th. We are gonna go with my husband's paycheck. He has issues with me showing his name places, so let me just see how I just don't. And my sister does too, and my aunt. Well, not that, I have issues with my aunt saying her name. But here we go. This is what I budgeted for, $2,839 for my husband. I hope you guys can see. Let me zoom in a little bit and I'll make adjustments. And he actually got, let me see, hold on. He got a little bump in his raise, so he, like $100 about, a little over. So I did have money left over, but I never include that in my budgeting, ever. That's just, extra and, whatever I need to do. So it's 2,973 that I'm going to be working with. I did have to make a couple of changes because I know you guys know that I'm going through construction, or I've mentioned it before. And so now we're needing things, and I'm adding stuff to my household budget, but so I'm not gonna pay certain things this month. I don't have to. They're not due. They're just extra that I send, but I'm not going to do it. So definitely my car payment. I don't have to send anything to Southern California Edison because we do our solar panels. For Verizon, it ended up being $250.46 what I'm going to be paying. The gas company, I budgeted $85 because it's been high, but it was $73.94. The water company was $80, and ended up being I budgeted $80. I pay it in increments. It ended up being $309. I don't know. My mom says there was a leak somewhere. My husband says we've just been using water a lot. I don't know, but I'm splitting it between this, this paycheck and the other one. Athens, I paid it off last month because I could. Old Navy, I am not going to pay extra. I ended up having to charge some stuff on my Apple Card, so I'm going to pay that. Amazon, I am not going to pay, and Best Buy I'm still sending $100 because I don't want to lose out on my zero interest stuff, and that's why I pay off my Apple Card, because it's zero interest. Let me zoom out a little bit because I'm going to run out of space. All right, so we're continuing down here. So this was a total of let me see, the 443, 250, 73.94, 154.14, 0, 100, and 100. It was a total of $1,121.71, and subtracting this from this leaves me with $1,851.54. I'm looking at my time because I have to head back to class for lunch, after lunch, and so I'm going to work down here. 1851.54, I think that's what I said. So groceries, I'm still doing $250, and I'm cutting back on the fun. And I'm going to keep this for now. 0 for my husband. 100 instead of 150, and then the house, I'm not putting anything because I'm putting a larger chunk in there, and that's going to be basically in savings. So that would brings me to a total of 250, 350, 450. And subtracting that leaves me with 1601.54. I hope you guys can see that. All right, good. So I'm going to bring the balance over 1601.54, and my summer saving, that's non-negotiable there. All of these things are non-negotiable. 330, 333. This is all staying the same. 83.33 and 27.88. And that leaves me a balance. That's a total of 486.20. Leaves me a balance of 11. 15.34. 15.34. Then we carry that over. Still sending my sister 250. Again, that's non-negotiable. My aunt 100, and Best Buy. I'm changing that to Best Buy to 100. Again, I want to pay that off. It's not a huge amount, but so this is a total of 450. Leaves me a balance of 665.34. 665.34, and it's more than what I had last. So I am putting 500 in savings, and that's going to be towards my house. Leaves me with a cushion of 165.34. Total of 665.34. And it's only a couple of things that we have to buy for the addition. It's just we have to do a pump for the plumbing. I don't know what that is. And the water heater. So the pump is like 500 and the water heater is like 300 or something like that. So I want to make sure we have that. And that's what my budget looks like for this month. Let me zoom out a tiny bit so you guys can see. So everything, I have a lot of stuff on my desk because I'm teaching right now. Everything, you know, balances out to 0. I do keep track of what I'm paying, and so I'm going to have to make adjustments because I have to do other stuff. I am not pulling cash out. No, I am. I'm only doing groceries. And that's going to be 250, and it's going to be, I'm going to do 150 right here. 1 and 2, 3. Yeah, so that's 100, 150 for a total of 250. The rest I don't need. All right, so that's what I have for this paycheck. So now because it is Friday, so it is what, the 26th, so my husband got paid on Tuesday. Everything was already paid, so now I'm going to jump over into my paycheck. All right, my paycheck. And my paycheck went in yesterday, even though I get paid on the differently. I'm supposed to be on the 28th, so it should have gone in today. So I budget for you know, for that amount, and I actually get 442,006. And I do have carryover, obviously, but I do not budget for that. That's just extra. And my Mercury insurance, I'm not sure how much that's going to be. Let me zoom in a little bit. I usually budget about 175. So it's 173, I want to say. Hold on, let me pause you on that and find out. Okay, so it's actually 170.40 because my Capital One is going, because I've been paying it off. The balance is dropping, or the minimum. 130 I sent. EB Academics will be 19. The Gardener will be 70. Amazon, I am sending nothing. The Best Buy, did I send anything? I'm not sending anything either for Best Buy. Frontier 5502. My Apple Card, the balance of it was 98, no, 90. Let me check that one too. It was 95.82. Let me see. And that pays it off. Let me see what else. And then my husband, so I had to add his Capital One. He is going to a conference, and with our school districts, we have to obviously pay for stuff before. So he ended up having to put the hotel and everything. So even though we're paying for it, we're getting reimbursed. So I'm paying $50. And they do pay for interest, shockingly enough, because so our water bill, you know, I'm paying the balance. This is $154.15, and I know it's not due till the end of the month of March, but I just want to keep, that's just, you know, intensive. So all this will total $170.40, $130, $19, $70, $55.02. Where's the 100? Apple Card, it was $95.82. $50 for the Capital One, $154, and then Old Navy I did not send any, and that is a total of $744.39, and that leaves me a balance of $3,675.67. Can you all see? Let me zoom out a little bit. So bringing that down, $3,675.67. I'm still doing $250 for groceries. My cushion is going to be $2,000. So and I'm going to add that somewhere else. $250. My husband gets $20. We're not doing any fun and any food. That's it. And so that is $270. So $270 leaves me with $3,405.67, which I'm carrying over to the top. $3,405.67. Again, you know, this never changes. 4166, 8333, 2788. That's 486.20, always the same. So that will leave me with a balance of 20. And then paying this off, 47. Again, every time, you know, leftover, it gets carried over down below. So my sister will get $250, my aunt will get another $100, and Best Buy is $0, so that's $350. And I'll be able to put that extra in next month. And that will leave me with a balance of $2,569.47. 2569.47. And this is where my cushion, I'm going to put my cushion in here. And that's for my mortgage. And then I'll do the checking cushion. So 2,000, my cushion. Cushion for a regular cushion. This is more, I'm going to leave $169.47. And for savings, I'm putting an additional $400. So that is a total of, let me see, 169. 27, total of 25, well, exactly what it says, 69.47, and that leaves me a balance of $0. And again, the only thing that I'm pulling out, because we're not doing fun, so maybe my husband's 20. So here's 100, 50, and 20, 1, 3, oops, yeah, 1, 3, and then 1. And, you know, if you guys want to total it or whatever. The majority of my savings, what I end up doing is transferring it over to a different account that I do not touch. It's a savings account. I have 2 accounts. So here we go. I'm going to decorate March real quick. Whoops. I just want to see how these stickers look. I'm so excited. Let me just do this one right here. I am not going to put the date stickers. I'm just going to put the top. And she starts them off with Monday. Interesting. Oops. that is obviously I'm gonna have to mess around with the numbers. Oops. I always mess this up. This is my first time using these, so I'm not very comfortable. So I'm going to switch it this way just to make sure it aligns. And it's just interesting that she started it with Monday. I didn't notice that when I ordered them. There we go. Oh, it does look beautiful. So I'm gonna have to add the numbers because I had them numbered based on a Sunday, Sunday date. I just love how easily they peel. You know, all this is just great. I think I might order more of these. But I have to obviously create a budget. And there are my goals. And then I will do the dates later, but oh my God, I'm loving the way this looks. Again, I never, ever decorate this. So I have the date stickers. There's some bill due amounts. And I know she has usually these, and I have everything color coded. So I'm gonna come back. Let me do something real quick, or I'm gonna date it. All right, so I set it all up. I put the dates, I put some washi down here, and this is what it looks like for March in the Budget by Paycheck workbook with Pear Mint Paper stickers. I love them. I think it looks awesome. I also really like that it starts on a Monday. So for those of you who got who ordered the stickers, make sure that you guys are aware that it starts on Monday as opposed to Sunday. I think that's how it's set up, right? Let me see. Yeah, usually the everything starts on Sunday, but this the stickers go with the Monday start. And I still have like this little washi right here, and I have these balance that I could probably use. I would love a whole set of these so I can monitor my pay by day. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna order some more of these. I love it, and I did use some of her deco stickers. So thank you, Pear Mint. I do love this. I hope you guys like this spread, and I hope you guys I did not close out the budget for the month, but I am going to do that, and I'll probably share that next week. I have to finish doing all these, but I've been keeping track of everything. I want to try to lessen the amount of sheets that I use for check tracking, because that is a lot of pages. In my opinion, it should be less. But then again, you know, it is part of the my transfers, what I do for savings, and also my husband who's been buying stuff for, well, who's been buying stuff for the addition. But the main thing is all the food that we spend. That's my issue right here, and that's the majority of it. So if you guys will see these dark ones, I think we did a little better this month. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then we have a couple. We did better this week. 16, 17, 18. So that is like so much better than, I mean, it's still a lot, but it's so much better than last month. And my goal next time is to do even less for March. All right, so let's see how that works. I'm going to keep you guys posted on that. Again, thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend, and I hope if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Okay, we're almost at 200, and I want to do a giveaway. All right, thank you. Enjoy. Bye.